Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's UPSC Toppers Answer Copy Analysis, we are going to see All India Rank 9 UPSC 2024 Aditya Vikram Agarwal's Answer Copy. Let's go into the question which has been asked here. How has globalization and urbanization impacted the family system? That is the Indian family system. It's a 10-marker question which has been given 2 pages maximum to write. And this particular question is pertaining to GS paper 1, especially the syllabus component is society. So overall, there is a major component here is one major component in the question. Let's go into the answer writing technique of this topper. So yes, followed with a introduction, and that introduction has been written in almost 4.5 lines here. And followed by that, he has addressed the body of the answer in a subheading approach. So the body of the answer has been addressed in 2 major components. One is the positive impact, second is the negative impact. Since impact is the key word here, this topper has addressed it in a that is broader manner along all the dimensions, both positive and negative. And the conclusion he has written in a short and crisp manner, that is 3 lines. Okay, now let's go into the introduction. So in the introduction, he has went with a conventional approach. Conventional approach is what I will be saying is the definitional approach. So he has given the definition for globalization and urbanization. So for each of the definition, half mark. So 1 mark you will be getting. And conclusion, if you see, he has just concluded or summarized the answer. So you will be getting half a mark only because he has not linked it with any current affairs. And if you look at the body of the answer here, overall, the body of the answer is addressed broadly along the dimension of positive and negative impact, and he is talking about both, that is globalization and urbanization in his body of the answer in a proper approach. So if you look at the total number of points which he has written for the first subheading positive impact, almost 5 points he has written, and he has underlined the keyword also. So he will be getting 2.5 marks for this. And for the negative impact, again he has contributed, that is 6 points here. So 6 points means 3 points, 3 marks he will be getting, half a mark for each of the point. Not only that, if you look at it, he is constantly underlining the keywords for most of the points he is writing. This is something which we need to learn, students. So if you look at overall in the marking pattern, for the introduction and conclusion, he got 1.5 mark. Body of the answer, 5.5 marks. So he will be getting out of 10 marker here 7 marks, and this is also going to be one of the top marks which we can get here for a 10 marker question. So what is the important learning from this toppers video today? Whenever we are writing a 10 marker, I keep telling my students try to contribute maximum points. This topper has also contributed for the first subheading 5 points, second subheading 6 points, almost 11 points he has written. Not only that, introduction is here a bit ordinary. It is a conventional approach. Conclusion, it should have been linked with current affairs. If you could have done these 2 things, you would have got another 1 mark extra. If you look at its marks also in GS paper 1, where society component is coming, out of 250 marks, he got 117 on an average, 5.5 to 6 marks. So what are the important learnings from today's video of Aditya Vikram Agarwal? Structure of the answer is important for society-based questions also. That is, introduction, body, conclusion should be written in our answers. Introduction, conclusion should be written in 3 to 3.5 lines. Body of the answer, subheading come point wise is advisable. And usage of flowcharts or schematic diagrams for society-based diagrams will bring some improved presentation and scope for awarding more marks also. And addressing the question completely is very, very important, because whenever the examiner is using keywords like impact, we should bring in the broader dimensions of both the positive and negative impact so that we can contribute maximum points to fetch maximum marks in exam. Students, if you are writing society-based answers for GS paper 1, try to incorporate these dimensions in your answer and points in your answer to fetch maximum marks. So for more such videos, kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you, students.